Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. Kick back and catch a
Hello everyone, welcome to At Home with Lisa. Hi lovebugs, welcome back to the channel. I am so excited you guys because we are doing the Decorate a Lantern collaborations. That's one of my favorite collaborations that I love doing because I love decorating lanterns. Now, Decorate a Lantern is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, At Home with Lisa, which is myself, and Design with Emma. Also, we have a guest host, and that is Jennifer at Home. And the theme is Harvest Leaves and Pumpkins. Now, we do have some co-hosts, which are This is Aria, Sasu Glam Style, Deborah Kabasa Home Living, Lifestyle Designs with Teresa, Joyful Decor by Denise, Debbie Bubbles, and Sandy's Home and Garden. Now, if you would like to participate, please make sure you include the hashtag, which is Decorate a Lantern 24. And also too, don't forget to use YouTube etiquette. Make sure you mention the hosts in your video, mention the title, also put the host and co-host in your description box, and also add the playlist to your description box as well too. So you guys, without further ado, we are about to get into Decorate a Lantern. So grab your drink and grab that snack. Sit back, relax, and enjoy as I create my fall farmhouse lantern. So love bugs, as you can see, I have my lantern right here. I have my farmhouse lantern. It has no doors on it. It has glass on each side, but no doors. The opening is at the top, okay? And I have a handle, okay? And this handle is going to come in great for me because I'm going to utilize it to be able to design my florals, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is, but let me tell you first what I plan on using with my lantern. I have some leaves here because remember the theme is leaves and pumpkins. You can use both or either or, okay? Also too, with the lanterns, this is an oldie lantern. I cannot even tell you how many years I've had this lantern, so it does look a little rough, but I like the rough rustic look that it is giving me. And so you can also make your own lantern. You don't have to necessarily go out and buy one, okay? So I'm using this lantern, of course, and I'm using some leaves. I'm going to use this cute little pumpkin. I'm going to use these florals because I'm going to try and make a swag. And then I'm going to use this bow. And if you guys missed the how-to tutorials on how to make bows, go ahead and check that video out after you watch this one if you haven't seen that one, because it shows you how to make bows. And so this was actually two different bows that I made, but I just put them together for this collaboration with the decorated lantern. Okay, so first I think I'm going to just slide my lantern aside, and I'm going to go ahead and put my swag together. So as I play some nice music for you guys to listen to, just continue to sit back, relax, enjoy your drink and enjoy your snack as I put my swag together. So I am using the zip tie to create my swag, and if you notice here, I didn't tie it tight. I don't want to tie it tight because I am adding florals to the swag. So once I get all the florals in, I will tighten it up. And whatever I'm doing on the left, I'm doing it on the right as well too. I'm not too particular right now at this point in creating this swag and, you know, fluffing out my florals and spreading them out, because once I get them on my lantern, I will be fluffing them out. It's good to purchase bushels, because you can do just what I'm doing. You can clip them off instead of trying to buy 3 and 4, because they can get to be a little expensive. So like I said, whatever I do on the left, I'm going to do it on the right. Okay, so at this point, I have my swag created the way I want it. Okay, so now I'm just going to take it and tighten it. And you want to tighten it as tight as you possibly can, because you don't want any of your stems to come out. So now I'm going to spread them out like so. So this is what it is looking like. And this is the back of it that I'm going to attach to the lantern. Okay? So I'm going to lay her aside, and I'm going to slide our lantern over. I'm going to put that down for the time being. I'm going to go ahead and add my leaves in. They are so pretty. And I'm just going to scatter them around on the base of the lantern. No particular way that I'm trying to do it. I just want to cover the bottom and to lay my pumpkin. It's just like leaves in the yard. I'm just going to scatter them all over. Because I want my pumpkin to sit up. So I'm planning on using all the leaves. And this is a very simple and easy one. Very simple and easy lantern to create. And then this is the pumpkin that I'm using here. And I'm just going to lay it here. You can see the pumpkin in there. I want it to sit in the middle. I don't want it to be slanted. So this is what it's looking like so far. And so we're going to go ahead and add the swag on, and then we're going to add our ribbon on. Okay. I have one more leaf. It was kind of bent up, so I didn't want to use it, but I'll go ahead and use it. Okay, so there we have it, and we're going to add our swag. Now, the reason why I say that this handle will come in handy, because I'm going to attach my swag to the handle, and I want the handle to stay standing. Okay, so I'm going to clip my zip tie. I'm just making sure it's extra tight, so I'm going to clip that. Okay, I'm also going to get another zip tie to tie around to attach the swag to the wreath. Okay, and I'll show you guys just how I'm doing that. I'm going to take this side right here, and I'm going to place my swag like so. I'm slanting it. I'm going to take the zip tie. I'm going to do it this way so it'll be on the back. Take the zip tie, use the black handle to attach it to the handle. Now make sure that you have your swag the way you want it. Like if you want it up higher, before you tighten your zip tie, put it in place. Okay, I'm getting ready to tighten. And there we go. Now I have excess zip tie here, so I'm going to push it one more time, make sure it's snug and tight. Now you can add more than one zip tie if you want. I only need one. Okay, now some of y'all are probably looking at this saying, ooh, that looks tacky, that zip tie is showing. Well, guess what? That's where my bow comes in. So I'm going to add my bow, and then I'm going to be back on camera and show you all the reveal. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please give this video a big thumbs up and hold tight. Don't go anywhere, because I'm coming right back with the reveal. Love bugs, I am here with the reveal of my fall farmhouse lantern. Yes, and it has a rustic vibe to it. So you guys, this collaboration, Decorate a Lantern, main host is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and myself at Home with Lisa, as well as Design with Emma, are the hosts with her. And the guest host is Jennifer at Home. So please go ahead and check out these channels, because you will not be disappointed. And also the co-hosts will be in the description box, so check them out as well too. All you have to do is click on the playlist, and it will give you all of the participants in this collaboration. And without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and check out my fall farmhouse rustic style lantern. She is a beauty. She is a beauty. She turned out absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I love it. And like I said before, go ahead and check out my 3 ways to create a bow video. If you missed it, go ahead and check it out. Check it out. Check it out. But this turned out really nice. I like it. And actually the only thing that I purchased for this lantern are the leaves. The leaves that are in the bottom here. And if you're just clicking on, all I did was add the leaves to the lantern and added the pumpkin on the inside. And then I put together this beautiful swag here, and I added my decorative bow. And there you have it. This is my fall rustic style farmhouse lantern. She's a beauty. And whenever you're creating a swag, just know that whatever you put on the bottom, you do the same for the top. Whatever you do for the top, you do it for the bottom. And that's it. That's it. That's all. So again, thank you all so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys, I cannot do this without you. We're on the road to 7K. Let's get there as soon as we can. And yeah, I thank y'all so much. Please give this video a big old thumbs up. And also leave me some comments down below. And guess what? Oh yes, y'all are going to see this fall rustic farmhouse lantern next week. Yes, y'all are gonna see this again because I am using it in another collaboration. So yes, you guys, you get to see this beauty again. How about that? All right, you guys, At Home with Lisa is signing off, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye, love bugs. See y'all in the next. One more spin, one more spin, one more spin. And there you have it.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home.